Stop by and take a look at the 2011 Lucerne. This large front-wheel drive sedan is a quiet and refined cruiser. It comes with soft suspension, which results in a plush, absorbent ride. It is contemporary in appearance and available with all modern-day features. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, remote keyless entry, fog lamps, front-wheel drive, daytime running lamps, traction control, OnStar, cruise control, power outlet, floor mats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.